Hello, welcome for another Nike factory vlog. And as you can see right here, we already saw this one. We got here the Jordan center court, and I already reviewed one of this one because I'm having them for the collection with this triple black with that wings on the back. It's kind of simple, but more details that has been shown, and I did the review on this one. Also, we got another triple white with the Air Force One high and also return, and probably I'm gonna leave this behind. I check on the comps, they're still high price but no additional discount, so I'll pass for now. We got the Nike Shock BB4 QS $99.97 with the additional 30% off. That's not bad. And also we found this Overreact, that's still the Over Ugly $109.97 with the additional 30% off. I might gonna get this one if they drop the price somewhere $49 with additional 30. But now we got the Air Max 200, and this one is not bad for the price. Moving on with the Air Max Tailwind for SE $69.97 with the additional 30%. I like the colorway of the small hint of gold and a little bit blue. The price not bad as well. So how about the Roshi 2 Flyknit B2 $39.97 with the additional 30% off. They got a bunch of stocks here, but looking into the comps, they are not very desirable shoes. Even though they are very cheap, I might gonna pass on them. So next one, we got the Jordan Proto React for that price with additional 30%, $79.97 with the 30. Still high price, same Proto React, different colorway, a little bit high. Might gonna go $39.97, then they'll pick up. But now, price. And now we are in the clearance wall on the hash wall, and we got this Air Vapor Max 2020 Flyknit, and they had the 30% off. $119, so $199, $179. This been sold for $157, but still high price. More something. Okay, here we go. PG3 $44.97 with additional 30%. I already got me one of this with the top cover, but this one I'm gonna leave it behind. How about the Air Force One High Premium $79.97? We got the Kyrie Low 3 $89.97, and how about this one, the Type Premium $29.97? And also we got the 270 React $119.97 with the triple white. Ooh, nice and clean. So we got the Odyssey React 2 Flyknit 2, a different React 2 Flyknit as well, different colorway. More stuff here on the hash wall and the clearance wall with the 30% off. So I like this one, Carry 2 TV promo $69.97 with that cookie colorway Oreo. And how about the Sprayed-On triple black? Ooh. So what do you think? And now this is the reality on going to the Nike factory store, sourcing shoes and everything. Sometimes you could find something good, and sometimes you can't find anything to resell. So today, nothing, nada. So I'm gonna walk empty-handed. Okay, so update with the sneaker invest on the Jordan 1 Volt gold colorway. I'm picking up more men's sizes, and I believe that it might gonna go up someday, and hopefully I could find more grade school. So let's go. There's a finish line right there, and we got some line. And check out that one in front of us. They pick up some more of the men's and the grade school. So this is most what we got, and I will gonna update you what we got on this investment. I'm gonna update you in the next video.